Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Chaudhary. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover DataFrame, data structure of Pandas library. We divide DataFrame in three parts. This is part 1 of DataFrame. And in part 1, we cover how to create DataFrame from list, Numpy Array, dictionary, and series. In part 2, we cover selection, indexing, creating new column, removing column, creating new row, and deleting rows. And in part 3, we cover conditional selection, reset index, set index, and multi-indexing. So let's get started coding. Data frame is like a two-dimensional array. It have a tabular structure. It has rows and columns. So let's create a data frame. We define a dictionary like room, cars, this, and passing is this. Let's run the cell. Now see the output. Now put this data set, my data set, in the data frame constructor. Shift press enter to run the cell. Now we can see there are 2 columns and 3 rows. As I told you, data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. We make data frames with the help of constructor of data frame class. Now we set the random seed, run the cell. Now make some more data frames with the random value. Have index this and column these. These are the rows and these are the columns. Shape is 5 by 4. Now run. Here we get the table which have 4 columns and 5 rows. We also create an empty data frame with the help of constructor. Data frame do not pass any parameter. Let's run the cell. Here we get an empty data frame. We also create data frame from list, like we make a list data which have these values and pass this data inside the data frame constructor, and here we get the 1 column data frame. Now create some more data frame with a nested list. Like it has nested list and pass data as a value, and column name is name and age. Here we get the output. If we want to set a data type, we also set like this, data type float. Now shift press enter. As it show a warning because this type can't be float. Now comes to creating a data frame from dictionary of ND array or list. As we already make data frame from the help of list and this nested list. Now comes to make a data frame from dictionary. Like this data have Let's make it more clear. Like frame, like dictionary data, it has column name and age, which have these values. And let's convert this data dictionary into a data frame. Shift press enter. Here we get the data frame. Now some more example. Make it more clear. Now we also set this index like this: rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and rank 4. It shows 0, 1, 2, 3. And in the place of 0, 1, 2, 3, it shows rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and rank 4. Let's run the cell. Here we get the index. Let's make a dictionary which have these values. Now convert it into a data frame. Here we get this. Like C is not defined in this part. So it show nan value. Now some more example. Like here we set the index first and second. Now create a data frame from dictionary of series. Like in this, we have dictionary which have series inside the dictionary. Now convert this dictionary which have series in data frame. Let's see the output. Here column 1 and column 2. In these we have a series which have index A, B, C, and values are these. So it has index A, B, C, and D, as there is a D also. And in the first, it has no D value. So there is a nan value. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any interesting video. Thank you.